To set up McDonald's mobile order and pay, start by downloading the McDonald's app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Create Account button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and choose a password. Then click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will then receive a verification email from McDonald's. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. After verifying your account, you can log in to the app using your email address and password. To set up mobile order and pay, click on the Order Now button and select the location you want to pick up your order from. Browse the menu and add the items you want to order to your cart. Then click on the View Cart button to review your order. If everything looks correct, click on the Pay Now button to proceed to payment. You can pay using a credit or debit card, or through a digital wallet such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Enter your payment details and click on the Place Order button to complete the transaction. Once your order is placed, you will receive a confirmation email with the details of your order and the pickup time. When you arrive at the designated pickup location, go to the designated pickup area and let the staff know you have a mobile order. They will then hand you your order, and you can enjoy your meal. It is best to have your order number ready to make the pickup process smoother. By following these steps, you can easily set up McDonald's mobile order and pay and start enjoying the convenience of ordering and paying for your meals on the go. This service is available at participating locations, so it is a good idea to check the app to see if your local McDonald's offers mobile order and pay. By using mobile order and pay, you can save time and skip the lines, making it a great option for busy people who want to grab a quick meal.